Other new arrival, the 1951 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery, black over scarlet red. This is a rarely seen model as well, too.
Mm-hmm.
Very nicely restored. And it's got the inline Blue Flame 6. And you know what? It's surprising. Those are not bad to drive.
Right.
You think, oh, that doesn't seem like enough power. You got to have a V8. You got to have, they didn't have V8s in 51, or they weren't on the market anyway.
Right.
And this thing is really cool. 3-speed manual transmission. It's be a great for your business vehicle. It's a perfect for it. Or a surfboard in the back and heading out, or any kind of camping equipment you could take in it. So a neat,
beautiful thing. And I think it started as a flower truck back.
I think it was.
Yeah.
It was.